Have you ever wondered why St. Louis ribs cook so evenly compared to other pork cuts? Today, we break down the exact trimming process that transforms standard spare ribs into this rectangular masterpiece. St. Louis-style ribs are actually just a highly specific version of spare ribs, which originate from the lower portion of the pig's rib cage, right near the belly area. The magic happens during a rigorous trimming process where butchers remove the sternum bone and excess cartilage to create a uniform rack without those jagged edges. By cutting away the rib tips and that large strip of breastbone known as the sternum cartilage, you end up with a perfect rectangle that fits evenly on your grill grate. This geometric precision isn't just for looks. It ensures heat distribution is consistent across the entire rack, preventing thin spots from burning while thick parts stay raw. Unlike leaner baby back ribs, St. Louis ribs retain a higher fat content within this trimmed frame, which melts down to create that incredibly rich flavor and tender texture. So, the next time you see a rectangular rack of ribs at the butcher counter, remember it's a spare rib that lost its cartilage to become a culinary uniform. Now that you know the secret behind the cut, what is your favorite BBQ technique for making ribs fall off the bone? Let us know in the comments below.